Round 1. Start with a magic ring. Work 6 single crochet into the ring. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Round 2, work 6 single crochet increases around the ring. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Round 3, 12 single crochet. Slip stitch to join and finish off. Round 1. Start with a magic ring. Work 6 single crochet into the ring. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Round 2, work 6 single crochet increases around the ring. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Round 3, 12 single crochet. Slip stitch to join and finish off. Grab that 0.6 mm wire and twist it into a cute little loop. Poke it through the back of your flower base. Dab on some glue. Start by chaining 3. Work a double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the next stitch on the base. Repeat steps 1 to 4 until you have created 12 petals. Round 1, chain 13 to create the foundation for our leaf. Add wire. Work 11 single crochet in the 2nd chain from the hook. Make 3 single crochet in the next stitch. Work 10 single crochet along the chain. In the last stitch, make 2 single crochet to round out the base. Slip stitch to join. Crochet hook to the back of the wire. Round 2, start by working a single crochet 2 together. Chain 2. Slip 2 stitch. Repeat this pattern 9 times around the leaf. Finally, slip stitch to join and finish off. Start wrapping yarn around your flower stem. When the moment feels right, add flowers and leaves. A little dab of glue to keep everything in place.